Kiki Tunez.
Dum 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 dum.
I came to a farm, a soft peep I heard. Kiki the chick gave a cheerful word. Listen up, my fart is a special treat. All the animals dance to its happy beat.
Between the trees, Chubby munches with glee. On bamboo shoots as happy as he can be. His tummy rumbles, oh dear, oh my. A dragon fart goes whizzing by.
Where lights are dancing deep in the sea, Tilda swims round corals so carefree. Her stomach grumbles, what a surprise. A huge fart blows a fish right before her eyes.
Fart alert, children, let's make a big noise. It's a happy sound for all the girls and boys. Whether a soft puff or a thunderous blast,
Happily for all of us, the stink will not last.
Lazy the sloth hangs sleeping on a branch in the loveliest afternoon trance. Suddenly his tummy makes a loud booming sound. His smelly fart can be smelled all around.
Stinky the skunk jumps up with a cheer. Let's fart out for all friends to hear. His friends all laugh and fall to the floor, rolling with giggles, wanting no more.
Buzzy the bee flies over a sunny field. A happy little song she has revealed. She does a looping in the air and farts at the same time without a care.
I came to a place and got a surprise when Trunky Elephant appeared before my eyes. He lifts his tail, the ground starts to shake. His massive fart is a cosmic earthquake. Oh.